In the criminal justice system, petty theft is considered not that big of a deal. In this neighborhood, the dedicated detectives who investigate these vicious felonies are members of an elite squad known as Cabs. These are their stories. Now let's meet the detectives. Detective Irwin, aka Magnum Pie. And Detective Irwin, aka the idiot who left his car unlocked. Today, the detectives will be trying to locate the object stolen from the crime, while also apprehending the suspect. The stolen object in question was a Bible that the victim had in the backseat of his car that was broken into. The break-in is suspected to have happened around 1:45 a.m., and here is a dramatic recreation of what could have happened. Now let's watch as these two detectives try to find the stolen Bible and the thief. So today what we are doing is we are going to go up and down the road and look for the stolen Bible, because that's the only thing that was stolen from the crime scene. And if they probably thought it was a purse or something and were sorely disappointed when they found out there was no money in it, and probably threw it out of the car. Do you believe that's what happened? Justice. Oh, I see something. Could it be a Budweiser can?
No, it's Bud Light.
Oh, it's Bud Light. Okay. Could it be? By Jove, I see something. What is this? Oh, that's not it. It's just a plastic thing.
It doesn't even almost look like a Bible.
From far away, it looks strikingly like a Bible. Who would steal God's holy word? The holy word of God himself. It's a shame. A crying shame. It needs to be brought to justice. And that's what Cabs is here to do. I'm starting to think that maybe the culprit could just be a bunch of raccoons. But I'm not sure. We're hoping to find some evidence today to convict the felon. And maybe this Bible is lodged between these two mattresses abandoned on the side of the road. I doubt it is, but we can sure check. Okay, Officer Wesley, lift the mattress. Is there anything?
Nope.
Magnum Pie. He's a cop. He's solving crimes, and he will not stop till they're brought to justice. Magnum Pie. Oh. Magnum Pie.
Oh, go back up. My question is, why did they think, this guy's car might be unlocked?
Let's steal.
But your car was unlocked, stupid.
I thought I locked it. I had McDonald's.
The only reason this is happening is because you were too dumb to lock your car door.
The only reason this is happening is because someone's a thief. No good thief.
No, because you were too dumb to lock your car door.
That's what they want you to think. Pennywise the dancing clown stole my Bible.
It's really hot out here and I want to go home.
Pennywise the dancing clown. He's not down there. Magnum pie.
Hey, we should probably like do this in a car.
What did you say?
I said, what if it was home cooking?
What's that supposed to mean?
Someone inside of the loop.
Do you think it was our mother?
No, it's probably someone we go to church with.
Could it be that I can't that what's his name? Austin.
No.
Austin stole the Bible.
No. It was a girl.
Austin! How far do you think one could throw a heavy Bible like the one that was stolen from the crime scene?
Depends how big the suspect is. If they're swole like me, probably pretty far. If they look like you, probably not that far.
If they're swole like Magnum pie.
Stop.
Okay, so now we're going out on the road in our car that was stolen from my police car, to do some further investigation, look for the criminal, look for the stolen object, okay? Very serious matters. I saw something suspicious down here earlier. It didn't look like our Bible though, but it still looked like something. Like, right there. See that black thing?
Yeah.
Just get out and see what it is.
No,
Because the Bible was black, it was just in a case.
it's just a piece of plastic, Jared.
How do you know it's just a piece of
It's a
plastic?
piece of plastic.
Does it look like a piece of plastic?
Yes!
Looks like a Bible to me.
You go get it in.
It's a lead! Crap, and here comes a car. It was a Zaxby's box. Looked like a Bible though.
You're so stupid.
It looked like a Bible.
This is where the last perpetrators lived, was up here.
Yes,
so-
we have previously had criminal encounters. You aren't looking over there. Around our home. So we have a couple of suspects
You're gonna go left.
that we think could have committed the crime, but we are not sure of. Do you think one of these people would have noticed if there was a Bible in their yard?
Probably.
I said we should call the police, but then I realized we are the police. A lot of high weeds. A lot of crime on these streets. Oh yes, this guy's a mailman. Sketchy. What do you think of that?
Not very sketchy.
He could box it up and... Oh, a dog. Dog could have stolen it.
Left.
Criminals come in all shapes, sizes, all species. For all we know, the ghost of Benjamin Franklin could have stolen it.
Probably not, though.
You never know. The ghosts of founding fathers can be very, very rowdy. Okay, so this is the part of the investigation where we review the evidence and tell you what we have found in our investigation. So, Officer Magnum Pie, what have you found any evidence?
No.
No suspects?
No.
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing.
So, all the evidence points towards a local thief
Yeah. Home cooking.
with the intentions of theft.
And we are very serious about crime in this area. So, if you see this Bible, call this number, and we'll reward you handsomely with, I don't know,
Cookies.
a couple Sonic coupons. But that's all we have today on Caps.